Eya yetati heart failure obi enya akoma yare eye de baade. Medical aye part 1 video of this heart failure no. And me kire about the left heart failure. Heart failure affect wakoma no the left side no. And the yebisua de afa heart failure affect the right side. Pachiati ase wakoma no ye left and right. Wakoma ni inside no ye left ye chemienu ye left and right. Into the left side no ekwan a efa so nya heart failure ya kire. Into na yebisua ekwan a the right side no ebetimi enya heart failure. Na unya heart failure edien na ebebo mo hu say unya heart failure. Na yen board ne so. Say and then the first time say dia me Canada no, but modern say we follow me. Na afi no, we be share video no ama uni bi so asua ade. Men keep this education alone. Obi hia ade we e dey abo ne ho ban. Say ne nsa kan ubetimi save that person no. Now, akoman enie. Ye di kan asua part 1 about the left side no. And yama call saying all those things. The ema obinya heart, left heart failure. So unya how I demand pe bia no nyina maka ho asem was that video no. So obitina kohwe. Na yamba this side no. This side no right heart into right heart no. And blue no. So the blue side no right heart no. Into your left heart, right heart. E kabuma na be akoma no complete. I hope c'est clear. Now, shall mommy? See, I can say, Obianya, dear friend, right heart failure. When that right heart failure, number 1, adia ebema nipano ehu se when that right heart failure. Dear, your Friday be, jugular vein. Your vein be a share con hanum. I connected in our command. I call your brain. Your vein be over. Sa vein no, your friend is jugular. I had the extended into a friend of the jugular, jugular vein distension. I can see it. To be say, untina wahanum it didn't so I can see it. What you say? It could tell you say when you right heart failure. Number 2, of course, liver failure. And I say liver enlargement and our distension. Obre bono. I can see Pachati ase. And no so ebet natural say when you right heart failure. Meko deep ma wan hu adenta meka sa. Enye no nko a. Onso no. If I be anxieties. So anxieties we no. And no so wo say moja na abegu je funu honom no. Afede pressure na ewo hono aye bebre enti no pusi ensuo bi efri enti na ewo oyefunu ho no pressure aye bebre wo sa enti no mu enti at the force ema ensuo bi fluid bi wo sa enti no mu epiepie egu abonten that is peritoneum egu onom ehesa na wo bon se amayefunu eden aye kese wo bon se wo se wo this side no aye kakraka it could tell you say when you dey fene dey right heart failure. Pachati ase anafe, pitting edema, okay? Pitting edema. Then ye pachire. Ubo say onan hye eye kese enhonhono. Woju no awon ti ase. Won so a unni sugar problem. But ubo say onan eye kese. Kese na eye no e kire wo say enti na e ba wo na ase fa say onan ni so hu. Ye fa say onan ni. Ana entin bi ba say eba say moja bebre eba ntin we mu a dey say pressure be eba inside force be eba ntin mu inside say eba sa na obo say because of pressure na ba hanum no e force ntin no e ma mu bie kase say mu bie kase a ensuo na ewo ntin mu no ebe liki efri ntin mu abegu enam ne mu so hu abegu na mu enti when nyina ye nsuo e fluid a eliki efri moja ne mu ayre abegu onan no enti enso na begu ono bon se enan na ye kese na eye kese eno so bitma try say why den when you dey friend right heart failure. Then another one dey friend you feel warm, warm extremities, lower extremities, okay? The patch say one nine ubon say why she when say ye moja temperature is saying, I was saying like 37 degrees Celsius, right? And it's about say moja abetawo nasia, abetawo man. Remember, moja ash until you feel warm around that side. No, so what do you know? Feel warm now, feel cold. Ewo ho no ma, feel cold power nasia. And never tell us say where they when you left heart failure. Now I will explain. Now, say oh ho na say we nyina wo hu bi wo hu. Jugular vein distension, liver failure, ascites, patent edema, warm lower extremities. It could tell you, say, when you're right heart failure, of course. And I feel you can still have kidney issue because a lot of blood will go and accumulate around that area. So these are things you have to picture. So when you're feeling any symptoms, and I say when you're this issue, quickly go and check your heart. It could be the reason why you're having this problem. Now, you share a day more business issue. Number one, atrophy. Okay, and now say, hypertrophy. Now let me explain the first one. The case of atrophy, only say I had a heart muscle, myocardia, a command and namno. I was say to me push more than no, free na ekosoro ebe oxygen ewa hanom. Remember, moja na akwa na ase no baby akọ yusu awie no. Saa moja na ewo say sign achi na sanso eba akomanum na ofiri akomanum ekọ wahrawa o lungs na okoje oxygen. Ntubo say me say dey the oxygen blood from the body to the heart. Enti ni moja emframa nim ana ebe fasa blue ni ebe blue ni mu. So what you say? Ana moja emframa wom ana ewo red ni mu. Efiri akọ the whole body. So we need to understand this. Enti say blood enya ba begu anum wi a ye fan say ni abefele efili wi a na akoma na yeden epushi na o ma fa wi ma bie green eye gates eye valves na ebie this pulmonary valve na ayede abesna akọ lungs na akọje oxygen na ayede na afa black ni mu na be pie we ni mu na pushing akọ the whole body. That's how it works. So a basse with left side eni ahoden hwe enhwe ade on say aye skinny, on say anya thick, aye slim. Then yes atrophy say aye atrophy, say aye very slim. Ain't push blood emane nko. Nti the say the blood will keep accumulating. So what you say? Because moja begu awie abegu anom ayema enso yentimi push ni mane nko. Yentimi push ni mane nko. Ana air filling ana still na ebiere ebeka home ebiba. Now say ahani ye maburo so a the be say ebesa sign achi ayede say ebi free uti ana ba ya wadwum na ba ya dem fa ne say we ye wadwene ana bi ayede afa hanom ayede afa ntinum wo ha na fe jugular vein aba abeguma ayema ema na aye no entimi nkonti aka ntubo nsa fe de eba ni nyina obo say efele this area ebe fele ni nyina amemo ayema de na ebesi ebe sign achi ntubo say ayede asa sign achi na call back to where call back to the brain. So what you say now fe enti na fm amana call brain no say na beye yem fa ne say enti enye say biem afele bon say beye say some hu on say ayekese because at the force be the blood na wa ha na enti nyanko no a returning a call back ntubo say enti na fm by no afede ebi wom ana ebi say be kan wona afede emu ye kese. That is when enti be the jugular vein no. That is it. Now, liver failure. They say, blood na efiri asia hanum efiri liver eba asoro. Efiri liver eba asoro. Eno so beden say ebesni begu ha na say ayem mana say entimi nko a ebesan na chi abegu infa abegu liver ni mu. Ebegu ma ebe kese ebe freely. That is when enti be the liver failure no. Any liver enlargement no. Meaning say blood na efiri obodi ni mu eba akomanim with no oxygen na air no ebedu hanom no wo say hana yema because accumulate me pushing man nko lungs enti aka honom enti hona aka no saa de a ombesa san mochi asa ko bi mu firi bae nti bo nsa bae obesa ne cha begu obrebo nimu ebegu ma na afi de eye kese na afi abeka kraka right heart failure ema oliver kese dia biem ascites dem fa ne say this is stomach nsunie some who stomach no any ana won so no eno so sa blood ka hu say blood efria we efunu yede we efunu no e ko akomanim because we use moja na eba ha na mframa wo mu no we use awie enti wo say wo sare ko no beje foforo enti ono so all ko no kodu ha no hu say ayema blood na ayema wa ha so what will happen ono so be den o mbe san o machi aba begu we efunu no ho what you say enti no e begu na say pressure na wa ha no e very high e be de say de metre we no enti na wa no the blood will start leaking out na afi abegu yefunu no that is the peritoneum na afi won say ama yefunu de yefunu eye kese because pressure bi abuild won tinu muti ama ensuo na wo mu no elikigu outside ka hu say right heart failure e ma obinya problem eni say yefunu eye kese na say won say won na ehunhuna maybe it could be say won ade refer no right heart failure kwana ko hwe na pe anu sibre ana afi pitting edema na me kire mo hanum no say eba say blood no eliki efiri ntini mu egu na ho a de na ebe kese me bo a una na be kese because enso na eliki eliku egu enanimu ntubo sa fe de una na be kese because ensuo efiri mojanum ka hu say ye moja ni nso wom fluid e wo inside ebe eliki abon say una na eye kese na eye kese na eye kese because entimi nko sa cycle no entimi nko abeta hanum ana asan eti na eba wo nase eko kidney eko liver tubo sa ide ama wo nase kakraka we express why dey wonya right heart failure pachiati ase so these are enema ema obi yeden obi enya sa problem no so number 1 den sa thing we na enya hoode antinya push no ene number 1 number 2 it could be said there is congestion bi wo lungs ni mu yemfa ne say bia wo lungs na yekoje mfama no emu no asem bi esi we inside enti ama emu na e choke ya frade bi COPD chronic obstructive pulmonary disease how bi a balance ni mu yemfa ne say bia fluid bi ayede eliki egu hanom enti mo se we nyina ekoso lungs ni mu a emu aye choke enti aye choke no se moja bi ekọ honom a aye choke no enti mi nko otubo se ebe kanti ni mu enti ekwan ni o yanhwa de efa se ekọ etinya ayede etinya wuremu ko obedu hanom no wo hu se high choke enti ayede aka enti mi nko because blood ni enti mi yeden emba o left side na abe choke wonum enti no je ko ha bia enti mi nko enti ama ha na ayede aye choke the same thing dia ko enti mi nko aye choke enti emu na aye choke no emma blood enti mi enko ka hu biem because one aye choke enti wo se aside asasa na chi ekọ fom ekọ wo na ase ni wo liver na we na me bobo so kire mu no se ubenya lungs issue COPD a ebetimi lead to right heart failure so anytime bia no o lungs na wo heart no they connect e wo say wo lungs no so where they are free from some of these emphysema and other issues no bronchitis and all those things no we need to protect ourselves from that so that be ya enkofa issue remember the same thing e bia aircon no ahanye choke but bibi abehye hanom we find there embolism and I say emboli sadia we e clot bi na ate o baabi ana afa o modani mu na abetoke wo lungs ni inside entin abetoke wo sa enti na e connect wo koma ko lungs no se moja bi kwa ontimi nko bi ko obehia obstruction bi wa hanom bi abehia hanom sa emboli we enen so ebetinya ko say right heart failure because esikwan no bibi entimi nko remember e clot e moja ada bibi a clot ana abehia honum sa no so sadia we na abehia honum ebetima ma o right side of the heart either afeli pachiati ase ana fe final one ade final hypertrophy deba ade hwe ade o heart muscle no this time enyati no ba ayede yenhwe onse ayekese pa tumo ayekese ha nyina aye muscles wakoma no se eba se entimi push yemfa no say there is pressure be for this area there is this congestion as the blood needs me nkwa akoma na adjusting itself na wama right side na the ayekese muscles na ayekese enam na thick meaning say obetimi anya hode epushi moja no obepushi all right but still na opushi a entimi the enko so still now no you're going to have issue with filling to once blood na ebe feel wa hanom no ebe kitua bi so what I say ebe kitua bi say the dimpo mesha mpo a etimi pushi ne ko all right mpo a still na blood na aircon no enye enough for the body so you're still going to have issues called what right heart failure so guys these are enema what say my adwene ko ho as far as right heart failure are concerned I believe sir we've learned something today me would did pass you soon at the end about right heart failure. If yes, sir, thumbs up in a na fe shema uniebi na onusunti na onhu enyama ema obinya right heart failure. Meye part 3 of this video and on a mechere ekwan best when you first one you between protect right heart failure and then left heart failure. Mechere on my next video part 3 of this heart disease issue. Thank you so much. So hope any good product, natural, organic product, just call me. Remember on side Ekabi, there are companies that almost selling good products, man. Make sure they will be a wow. Now I protect you from all these things. Bye for now.